আপনারা দেখছেন SR24x7 নিউজ।
Reno 13 series already launched ho chuka hai. It's out there in the market and it's absolutely loved by customers. If I have to give you a glimpse of what the product is all about, it's one of the most anticipated product. तो हमारा जो फ़ोन है उसमें Reno 13 Pro है और Reno 13 है, well highly equipped with AI features. If I have to name a few, AI live photo, AI reflection remover, AI unblur, AI productivity based feature like AI writer, AI summary, all of that features. So एक क्लिक में आप कन्वीनियंटली डिफरेंट चीज़ें कर सकते हो. यू कैन टेक योर फोटोग्राफी एक्सपीरियंस लेवल अप. नॉट ओनली दिस, ये हाईली इक्विप्ड है हार्डवेयर से भी. 50 मेगापिक्सल ऑफ टेलीफोटो कैमरा इन Reno 13 Pro, 3.5x periscope. So all of this, it makes it highly competitive. Not only this, we also have partnered with MediaTek. Oppo and MediaTek has collaborated together. That brings the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 processor, the first globally launched processor in this particular smartphone itself. We also have Wi-Fi signal boost, Oppo self-developed dual chipset that enhances your overall gaming experience also at the same time. इसके अलावा वन ऑफ द मोस्ट स्पेशल फीचर दैट्स रियली बीन लाइक्ड बाय एंड अप्रिशिएटेड बाय कस्टमर्स, IP69 विद अंडर वाटर फोटोग्राफी, विच मीन्स आप इस फोटो के साथ you can go underwater and click memories and click pictures. So all of that with a net effective price starting from 34,199. As I also mentioned earlier, our smartphone is very competitive. Competitive क्यों है? क्योंकि we have high level and number of pool of AI features. Well, I wouldn't say competition does not have it. A lot of smartphones already have AI features, but either you have to download these AI features through third party applications, or there are very restricted AI features. But in our smartphones, there are 15 to 20 AI features that are self-developed AI features. It's just inbuilt in the smartphone, and just one click you can use these AI features. Not only this, we are giving you underwater photography. We are giving you a design with aluminium frame that are currently present in only high-end smartphones. So definitely that makes us highly competitive and different from what others are offering out there in the market. So currently इतना upgrade है, but later if we have any further upgrade in the coming generation of a smartphone, we are going to give you that. But currently, as you will even see on the leaflets, you have range of offers and affordability options that are available. You have warranty also there, that's written there. A huge range of options that are available. As I said, you have after sales service in West Bengal. You have 20 after sales service centers also available. So we are giving you a lot of it. If you have that query, and in future if we come up with more, we'll definitely let you know. First, an affordability we've already shared with you, so you can maybe refer from there. But based on all the offers, the net effective price, the starting price is 34,199. Yes, my name is Soumya Shah and I'm the product marketing manager from Oppo India.